Practical hallways connect the spaces in your home, but they're also a canvas ready for decorating. Use the tips in this video to create a hallway that's decorated as well as the rest of your home. Welcome to And Then There Was Style. Now look, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of the family. And if you have been here before, then welcome. So this video is all about the most beautiful and inspiring hallways that I have seen lately that I wanted to share with you. So if you need some hallway decor inspiration in your life, this is the video for you. Don't forget to check that description box for products that you can purchase for your own home to give your home this look as well. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So just because the hall isn't a room in the traditional sense, doesn't mean that it should be neglected. Your corridor is the first thing guests see when they arrive, so it sets the tone for the rest of your home. You want to create a space that speaks to your design sensibility while still being functional and welcoming. I know it sounds like a crazy tall order, but just with a little inspiration and a little help, we can create a pretty pathway with plenty of personality. Most of our hallways are small spaces, relatively speaking, but that doesn't mean that they have to be void of any personality. Prints and wall art can take up zero of that precious floor space, and cute baskets can double up as storage. You might even be able to squeeze in a houseplant to bring just a little bit of life to that space as well. Take a cue from this gorgeous hallway and add a bench to your room. Not only does a piece like this take up minimal space, but it also offers a convenient place to put on your shoes or drop your bag. Adding hooks to your walls is a good way to accessorize as well. Go and steal some pieces from your closet or any other stash spot you may have in your home to decorate with and add a bit of texture to those walls. So if you are totally redesigning your hallway rather than just redecorating, flooring is what you are going to be wanting to think about first. Consider your flooring as a way to bring in some style and color to the space, as well as being a very practical choice. For a lot of people, that means tiles. They are easy to clean, they can handle wear and tear, a little bit of abuse, and they look gorgeous too. And you can always soften them up by throwing down a nice soft runner. Turn a vacant hallway space into a place to stop and take notice. Transform a blank wall into a family gallery. Before you hang anything, trace the shape of your frames onto craft paper and tape the shapes to the wall to plan your arrangement until you're satisfied with the look. Complete the look with other cozy elements to add interest to your passageway. Maximize natural light with white walls, a large mirror design, and furniture that almost blends into the rest of the scheme if you like the idea of a spacious, minimalist-inspired hallway design. Creating the illusion of a bright, airy space is best achieved by opting for neutral color scheme, especially if you are designing a small hallway. Plants can brighten up a space and give your home a bright and natural feel. Your hallway can be as toned down or as turned up as you want it to be. Doesn't this hallway just give you energy? as always, I ask you to comment your favorite room down in the comment section and let me know. If you want to know mine, it is this gorgeous hallway right here. I love the gallery wall. I love how it's a gray and black and gold color scheme. I love the pendant lighting of the hallway, and I especially love that crown molding on the ceiling and the baseboards. You guys, this is just a beautiful room. I absolutely hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to the channel with other home decor lovers out there. Don't forget to comment a video that you would like to see, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, friends.